of rent that is going to be there for that particular apartment at that time.
What are your projections for the forecast for the rent?
For the rent, it is going to be, if we talk about 2 BHK, which is 1150 square feet, and we do it by 10, so it's going to be about 15,000 rupees at that time.
And penalty clause starts from the date of, let's say...
From the month of handing over, if we do not hand over, yes.
And the bank?
And it will be given in written to you, in the allotment letter which is given to you.
Okay. The banks that are approved that the project is passed?
All the major banks like ICICI, SBI, all the government banks, they will be approving this project. The list of all those documents have been sent to the banks, and within 1 month's time, one and a half months time, all will be approving this project. So you will have finance available to all the major banks.
Okay, best of luck for that. But let's say we book today, and for some unforeseen reasons it's not approved, let's say, and there's a delay or something happening, and you want to take back more money and that you don't want to go.
It will be paid to you immediately.
Yeah, good evening. First of all, the presentation was good. Now, as a concerned citizen and basically the region which you are projecting, the main question is what is the development for that particular area? Not your society or not your project basically, the area around it.
You're talking about Yamuna Expressway?
Absolutely, yes. And what is the security and safety of the people who are basically traveling from Delhi or UP, Greater Noida towards this area, number one.
We expect this area to be developed in say 5 to 10 years time. The whole of the Yamuna Expressway, the major chunk, the major portion of the Yamuna Expressway will be developed in say 5 to 10 years time. And 3.5 years is the time that is slated for our project to be development and handed over to you. And one more thing I would like to add, there is a Formula 1 race course over here, then there is a cricket stadium that is coming over here, then there is at least 4 to 5 universities that are slated to be opened over here. There are already 2 right now. Galgotia University is one university, then there is one NIU, the there is one Noida International University that is already working over there. Then also our own group, we have a 60-acre land over there and we are about to come up with a university. Then behind Galgotia University, they showed in their presentation Galgotia University, just it was at the fore of this Formula 1 race course. So behind that, even we have a 25-acre resort that is again owned by our group that is about to come up over there. Then there are a lot of industries, around 5,000 acres of industries are going to be slated to come around over there. Furthermore, this way, Yamuna Expressway, our project is at the starting of the Yamuna Expressway, say 10-12 kilometers from the start of the Yamuna Expressway. This road leads to Agra, this road leads to Mathura, this road leads to Aligarh. There are so many different important locations which are there, which this road is well connected with. Furthermore, there is also an international airport that is also slated to come over there in Jewar, which is 20 kilometers from this spot, approximately.
Fair enough. You have answered my question pretty all right. The thing is, this project, as you rightly said, would take the entire area to be developed would take roughly around 5 to 10 years to develop. Now, do you think would it be a good investment prospect, or would it be a good residential for rent conservation?
Well, I think it's an amalgamation and combination of both. It will be good for residential, for living, as well as a good investment. Because in this proximity, as I have already mentioned, there are so many world-class things that are being developed over there. So it's, according to me, it's an amalgamation of both.
Okay. Have you got this subvention scheme also from the banks for this?
The subvention scheme from the bank is not approved, and the RBI guidelines, I think the RBI guidelines are against the subvention scheme. It used to be there in India, say a few months back, but RBI, I think, has said that it is not going to be there for the banks to offer.
Fine, thank you so much.
It's banned, in fact.
Thanks.
As far as I know.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
First of all, let me congratulate Need Buzz, Mr. Adil, and everybody there to put up a great show today. And I think this is what we need here, expatriates living in Dubai. My question is, if you look at the current rates of investment in, let's say, Greater Noida, you're talking about 2,250, 2,500 rupees per square feet. But if you look at your rates, you're actually looking at 3,000 plus. So how do you justify this price difference? A project like Gaur Atulyam in Greater Noida is for 2,500 or so. And if you end up paying cash, you end up for 2,000. So how do you justify an investment of 3,000 rupees per square feet, sir?
See, the real estate is all about location, location, location. If you have seen God's project, that's almost 8 kilometers ahead of our project on Yamuna Expressway. Secondly, our project is situated inside JP Sports City, which is 2,500 square acres of land, well developed, already developed. Normally, when you invest in a project like this, there would not be roads, there would not be any development around. Here, you are going to invest in a project which has all around 800 acres of greenery developed around this plot. And lots of plots, residential houses, and thousands of apartments are coming. When Mr. Anil said that this area is going to be developed in 5 to 10 years, he meant whole of Yamuna Expressway. The gentleman asked about the Yamuna Expressway. While this place, especially JP Sports City, is currently developed area. That's why there is a difference in rates. If you are going to buy a plot or a house or a flat in a place where nothing is developed currently, then you are going to pay a little less. But I do not believe that you will get anything in 2,200 rupees a square foot. There can be a difference of understanding, or there can be hide and seek business done by other builders. While here everything is transparent, everything is put on the paper, and whatever we are charging is in the head of other charges. Nothing is hidden. You know you are going to pay this much now, and you will be paying that much after 5 years also. Thank you.
And we also have flexible payment plans. At least 3 plans are there, which is present in the payment sheet which is given to you.
Well, we all had a nice and august time in your presence, and on behalf of NEETBUS and on our behalf also, we would like to request you to please join all of us for dinner. Thank you very much.